How's it going, everyone? This is Vinny Bassmaster from my YouTube channel, VBM VBM YouTube, and I hope you're being all safe out there, keeping your distance. But I'm here to do another introduction on another animated object that I just got. I can't pronounce that word right, but you guys know what I'm talking about. My speech is horrible, but hey, I try. I don't care. That's all I care about. But I just got a new animated object from one of my friends. I've known her a long time, and I'm gonna surprise you of what it is, because I already know what it is, but I don't want to ruin the surprise, because what would be the fun of that? Might as well end the video now. Anyway, I'm gonna open it up now and show you guys what it is. An animated object, something that doesn't move. Oh, hey, hi horn. A little humor in that one. Fucking damn thing scared me. Got How's the Rising Sun playing in the background. Love this song. Oh, that spooked me. Come on, oh my god, she knows how to wrap this thing, that's for damn sure. Ow. Let's not cut my finger off. Wow, knows how to wrap, that's for sure. Wow. Oh, that's the stand for it, that's cool. That's pretty cool. Let's see. I absolutely, wow, really does know how to wrap. Jeez, make sure this thing would get damaged 1 second. Wow, she made sure this thing was concealed good. This thing wasn't jumping out even if it was alive. Back to the knife. Wow. Didn't know I have to go back to the knife. That's freaking, this is cool. Really good friend of mine. I know him for like 10 years. Went to high school with her and all that. Oh yeah. Look, there's my baby right here. Oh yeah. Birds of Prey, baby. Birds of Prey. Blu-ray digital copy right here. Got the Blu-ray, DVD, and digital code copy in here. Got a year to do the code. I guess you get other things with that. I never did it before, but wow, this is really concealed. This is really nice, because the movie came out on DVD last week, but she told me don't get it. She's gonna ship it to me. That way I can do a video. And it's cool. Wow. Jeez, this thing's really on there. Oh my god. Ow. And the reason why it's echoing, I'm at my storage unit. I just got done spending an hour in there getting rid of some stuff that I really didn't need, so I can go to a lower one, a smaller unit. That's awesome. This movie was amazing. Again, if you guys didn't see this movie, I recommend buying the DVD or watching it on demand or Fire Stick, whatever. But I get the movie because I'm a Harley Quinn fanatic. Harley Finn. I'm a Harley Quinn fanatic, and I absolutely love this movie, and I can put it in my collection. My collection is finally pieced up. This is the final puzzle to my collection, and the puzzle is finally done. So I'm happy. She really knows how to conceal this. Oh my god. I'm telling you. Even a robber wouldn't be able to open this. They'll be like, oh, what's the point of it? Never mind. But there it is. Birds of Prey digital Blu-ray copy, DVD, and digital code copy. There you have it. You got the special box, which is cool. Her eyes glow up like a freaking lantern. I love it. I love her. Margot Robbie, she's the best freaking actress ever. Best Australian actress ever. And I have, don't mind me, I'm just trying to read this. Oh, that's cool. If you can see it, you can see Black Mask, or you can see it clear right now. You can see it pretty damn clear. That's good. You can see Black Mask in the background. Roman Sciatus. And you got the Birds of Prey. That. Go against them, that's all I'm saying. I'm not spoiling this movie. Got the back cover. What the back looks like. That's awesome. Her and a hyena. There's Roman Sciatus. And you got the Birds of Prey team. Yeah. This movie was phenomenal. It was one of Margot Robbie's best films. Like, especially because it's her own character. She got to play her own character in her own movie. That's awesome. It was amazing. But I really appreciate my friend sending me this. I haven't seen her in a while, so I appreciate her sending me this. She's a Harley Quinn fanatic fan like you wouldn't believe too. Yeah. This is rated R for strong violence and language throughout, and some sexual and drug material. Yep. This is the second DC movie that's rated R. You got Joker, that's #1, and now Birds of Prey, which is #2, which I have already. I didn't do an introduction on Joker yet, but I'm gonna do one just for the fun of it. I already have it, but I'm gonna do an introduction because I don't want Joker to be left out. I mean, if it wasn't for him, she would never been invented. Created. Damn, my words suck tonight. I don't care. If it wasn't for Joker, Harley Quinn would have never been created. I'm a major DC fanatic. I've been a Batman fan since I was freaking 3 years old. I first saw the first Batman movie ever with Nicolas Cage, but Jack Nicholson. Forget it. Jack Nicholson and Michael Keaton. I forgot the girl's name. But when I first saw that movie, it was incredible. It's been a long day. Every time I make a video, I'm gonna stumble on my words. This helps me also to get better with my wording. So, and helps me get better with talking to people out there, and better with my wording and good stuff. So I really don't care. And for all you haters out there, certain people, you know what I'm talking about, I don't care. Comment all you want, I really don't care. But this is VBM VBM, the creator of my channel, and please subscribe. I did a couple of chugging videos with my friend Anto. You guys already saw that. We'll be doing more of those. I tried doing one, I can't chug. I can only produce, that's all I can do. I can only direct, that's it. I can't direct and produce, that's it. I cannot do it. I tried it, I almost had a freaking heart attack. Anyway, guys, there you have it. Birds of Prey, digital Blu-ray copy, DVD and digital code inside. And there you have it. Watch it. If you haven't seen it, watch it on Blu-ray, DVD, Fire Stick, on demand, whatever you have, watch it. It's incredible. I'm telling you, you will love this movie. It's one of Margot Robbie's best films for DC. But there you guys have it. This is VBM VBM from my YouTube channel. So please subscribe. And thank you guys. sorry I got a little edgy right there, but certain people that I don't no longer talk to like to, be inconsiderate, liar term pricks about my channel. So I really don't care. That they'll never grow up. They'll never grow up. They'll never get out of high school. They're useless. But anyway, all you guys that love my channel, I thank you a million. Please subscribe, and I'll do more. But there you have it. Birds of Prey. Incredible film.